Hi, it's John here again. It's 5:07 p.m. on Friday, the 12th of May 2017. I'm just continuing on with this 42-page writ warrant for the meeting up north, the grand jury court for the chiefs, the Paramount Chiefs, who are claiming this title of the Manukau title in Edinburgh, Scotland, that I'm putting together here on these writ warrant. And so I'll carry on with this page as an affidavit proof video, fact evidence of Moai Crown, Paramount Chief holds the allodial native title, owner of Aotea, New Zealand of the country. I got up to the stage where giving notice that these people who I have named for the writ warrant in the court hearing up north, that I just want to go through into the pages and skip this page, or it says here, this is the Moai Crown Paramount Chiefs gathering of continued public statements, videos and affidavits to you, Build English, and an invoice for yourself personally, your Crown Corporation's agents, contractors and named New Zealand Parliament ministers photographed, identified, personally charged with ex-Prime Minister John Key fraud, corrupted Panama Papers, New Zealand 30 million donation to Clinton Foundation as accessories to Queen Elizabeth II Crown fraud treason charged singly inside this grand jury trial native court ongoing hearing. For the court record, 1st of May 2017, we were supposed to have that court hearing in Parihaka, but that was put off somehow rather mysteriously, so now that meeting has shifted. The opportunity was lost down there for those tribes to have it there. So if they want to come to the meeting at Waitangi, I don't know which marae it'll be in, Titi Marae or the Waitangi Marae itself, to put the flag up the King William IV Admiralty ship mast to the top. So we'll see when we get there. And I'm just saying, extending this to other chiefs in the Taranaki region, that I wanted to take this writ warrant there and do that with Jim Tupi, week or two, from the East Coast region of Mount Hikurangi to Mount Taranaki, and bring those hapus together. So now that meeting is up north and at hearing. Take notice that your name and surname appears on this notice given to you 14 days to refute this affidavit, statement, video claim against you and your entire estate, land, bank accounts, business, property, assets, investments and inheritance wealth. If you fail to counterclaim in defense of your natural man, woman, child, name and surname, likeness, profession and legal corporation sole name, the same way I, John Hawani Kahaki Wanoa, natural man, I accuse you of any crimes, one natural live woman, man, child at a time, as a criminal fraudster. If you fail to respond within this period of time, then what I disclose here about you is undisputedly the truth and shall be used against you personally to seize on all your possessions as stated in this affidavit from this court hearing ruling in Parihaka, now going to Titi Marae and Waitangi Marae on the 19th and 20th of May of this month. District Marae, Native Grand Jury Trial, King's Bench Court and other Crown Corporation Government Courts in New Zealand and Commonwealth countries under the Moai Crown King William IV 1834 trademark flag. So I'm just saying that in order to put things right, I'm just making statements to James Pierce Brown in personam and Simon Brent Roundtree in personam, directors of 3/70 Shortland Street, Auckland, property registered corporate office, City Works, Depot Limited, Roundtree Trust Limited, Tournament Parking Limited, we serve you this eviction notice and levy debtors invoice, and to ex-New Zealand Prime Minister John Key, criminal fraudster, New Zealand Governor General Passy Reddy, Prime Minister Bill English, your single natural named companies accounts are charged under the Trespass Act 1980, that in accordance with the above Act, I, John Hoanikaki Wano, creditor, and Chief Kingi Taurua and other native grand jury court chiefs, commercial patent landowners, served this eviction notice in force as from my last affidavit, fourth and final warning after the fifth notice of eviction, according to Vatican City Pope Francis Motu Propria, abolished fraud, corrupt corporations, trusts like yours on other ancestral land blocks. We now reoccupying our land from the issue of notices on the 2nd of February 2017 as a consequence of your ignorance of New Zealand law. You failed to rebut or counterclaim our claims publicly advertised on Facebook. Now I'll just stop it right there, because that was on the 6th of February. We opened a Titi Marae Native Grand Jury Court with the Paramount Chiefs on that day. That we are just reinforcing that now with more writ warrants, following the last writ warrants there and writ warrants in Parihaka, that's supposed to be, it never was, extended in the time of public notice to the grand jury hearing in Waitangi on the 19th and 20th of May 2017. So I'll stop right there, because those names are in the next document. I think I will check that now, and for the record, hang on, I'll go back. Something's not right here. We've got something going wrong here. I seem to have got the photos mixed up. Well, that's me and my real estate. I might as well show you that. So I've been in real estate to know what I'm doing, and we will reset this again. I'll go back to my site. I'm following everything going on. I think I've skipped the page that I'm supposed to be on. It might be on this other side. No, it's gone. Something has dropped out. I had a flat battery on my camera, and that's what the problem is. I went to find something else, and I've shifted the files on my Facebook site. Now you're going to get a streaming run on what I am doing on my own private site, which is this one. I follow all the news, as you can see here. On my site is a lot of information that I cover. Every day I watch the news and pick up on everything going on. Here we go. I'm back on it again. Right, well, I'll start all over again now. I got up to, see, I'm going to go through, and we've covered these areas. I got past this one, and I got past that one. I think, I'm sorry about this. I'll start again, I think. I got past that one. Yeah, I've got past that one. I got past the receipts. In fact, I got a long way down. Yeah, we've gone past. I'm flicking through all the documents of the 42-page writ warrant until I get to the page. Oh no, I've got, no, start again. Sorry about that.